Good day everyone, I'm Bautista Princess Andrea B. from St. Francis of Assisi. For today's presentation, I will present to you the Gregor Mendel pea plants experiment. Before we proceed, who is Gregor Mendel? Gregor Mendel is a father of genetics. He is a biologist, mathematician, and meteorologist. He was born in July 20, 1822. Here is the example of the Mendel pea plants. In this table, there are purple and white flower. The white flower and the purple flower is the parent generation or pea. When the purple and white flower cross-pollinated, their offspring were labeled the F1 generation or what we call first generation offspring. When the first generation plants start to self-pollinated by itself or pollinate in other plants or same plants, the offspring were labeled F2 generation or second generation offspring. To better understand, here are the Punnett square. Let's start in the first generation. Capital P stands for purple allele and small p stands for white allele. We can see in this table, there are 4 boxes and each boxes ay merong 1 dominant and 1 recessive, which is equal to purple flower. So kung meron ditong 1 dominant and 1 recessive sa bawat box, we have 4 purple flower for the first generation. Because 1 dominant and 1 recessive is equal to purple flower. Let's take a look in the Mendel's pea plants table that there are 4 purple flowers from first generation made by cross-pollination of 2 parents' flower. Let's see the table for second generation. For the second generation, there are 2 dominant alleles in the first box that equals to purple flower. There are also 1 dominant and 1 recessive that equals to purple flower. 2 recessive alleles are also present in the table that stands for white flower. So for the second generation, there are 3 purple plants and 1 white plants are present because 2 capital P is equal to purple flower and P and small p is also equal to purple flower. 2 small p is equal to white flower. So 3 purple flower and 1 white flower is present in the second generation. So we can see in here that 3 purple flowers and 1 white flowers are present in the second generation produced by self-pollination from first generation. So in first generation, there are 100% purple flower. And for second generation, 75% purple flower and 25% white flower. And that's all for my video presentation in General Biology 2 on the topic the Gregor Mendel pea plant experiment.